Hmm. Good morning. What is your name? Say loudly. Speak loudly.
My name is Kuvanch.
On which level? Junior level. Demonstration start. +2. Again +2. -4. +5. +1. Answer is? Very good. Next one. +2. -2. +5. +4. Answer is? Very nice. Remove it. Next sum. +11. 11. +11. Again +11. +22. 22 kinda down. 11. Again +11. Answer is? 44. Very nice. Next. Remove. +3. -2. Okay. +1. Again +1. -3. Answer is? Very nice. +2. +5. -7. +8. Answer? 8. Next one. +9. -7. -7. Okay, right. Very good. +1. +1. Answer is? Next one. +4. -1. +5. -6. +5. -6. -6. One down change. Answer is? Very nice.